Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to get offers on Amazon Flex. So you must first learn why and how it works. So you must plan your schedule and work in advance. So the blocks are ideal when you want to plan ahead and build your schedule around your time priorities. Next is block earnings. So this will depend on location, customer demand, and tips of course, and the factors that influence and how much you can earn for a block. Next is scheduling blocks. You might want to actually schedule your block around something more advanced prior to the day of your scheduling so that you can see offers screen in Amazon's Flex app. So this is the things I have found. So you must first turn on instant offers. If instant offers are available in your region, you can turn on available now and then toggle it in your screen in your Amazon Flex app. Next is scheduling your delivery blocks. Like I have said, you must schedule your blocks up to 7 days in advance or even more. So next is use your preferred scheduling. You can unlock the rewards level 2 and set your preferred station day at the week and use the reserved offers. Next is looking for your promotions because the challenges screen in the Amazon Flex app is for new promotions. Promotions are only limited to opportunities to earn extra cash by completing a set number of blocks at a specific time. So next is the filter offers where you can tap filter in the top left corner of your screen in Amazon Flex app and then set your filters and see results. So this will vary from people to people and business to business. So this is the only things I've found to get more offers on Amazon Flex. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.